Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to reveal secrets that flight attendants never tell you. Have you ever wondered what behaviors annoy the flight crew the most, but they prefer not to say? Stay tuned, because these things might affect your comfort during the flight and even how they treat you. Section 1. Behaviors that annoy flight attendants. 1. Constant delay in following crew instructions. Every minute counts during the flight. Delays in fastening your seatbelt or ignoring safety instructions cause significant stress and annoyance for the attendants. 2. Speaking too loudly or being noisy inside the cabin. Flight attendants prefer a calm environment since they deal with many passengers. Loud voices or excessive laughing can cause tension and confusion. 3. Not respecting the crew's privacy. Making too many demands or constantly following the attendants puts pressure on them. They are there to serve, but within limits. 4. Leaving luggage in the aisles. Leaving bags in the aisles blocks passenger and crew movement and can sometimes cause accidents or delay emergency procedures. Section 2. Behaviors that affect flight safety. 1. Using electronic devices during takeoff and landing despite warnings. This is very dangerous and annoys the crew, who often have to remind passengers repeatedly. 2. Smoking or attempting to open doors. These are serious violations that force the crew to take strict action. 3. Neglecting to wear a mask, if required. Lack of compliance affects everyone's safety, especially on long flights. Section 3. Behaviors that harm the quality of service. You receive 1. Being rude or impolite to the flight crew. Flight attendants deal with hundreds of passengers. Those who show respect often receive better service. 2. Excessive demands for service. Requesting too many things without considering the crew's time may prevent them from serving everyone well. 3. Not listening to instructions. This wastes the crew's time and disrupts workflow. Section 4. How to win the heart of a flight attendant. Be kind and understanding. Flight crew are human just like us. Follow instructions carefully to make things easier for everyone. Respect personal space and stay calm. If you receive good service, don't hesitate to thank the crew with a smile or kind word. Now that you know the main things flight attendants dislike, do you want to be the passenger everyone loves? Don't forget to download my comprehensive free smart travel guide from the link in the channel description, where you'll find all the tips to make your trips easier and more comfortable. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to get all updates, and share the video with your friends so everyone benefits. If you have a story or experience with flight attendants, write it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story.